In front of me is OPPO Find X2 Pro, and let me show you how to add and remove Google account on this device. So first of all, just make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi, because otherwise you will not be able to perform adding account operation. Then open Settings, find and select Users and Accounts, and click on Add Account. Here, just pick Google. And now enter your email address or phone number, whatever is connected with your Google account. And tap on Next then. And now it's time to enter the password, so let me do it off the screen. Just give me a couple of seconds. And as only the password is entered, just tap on Next. And here just come along with the Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, and also Privacy Policy. And if you do agree with all the terms and conditions, just click on I agree. Tap on More then, click on Accept, and here it is. As you can see, you've just added Google account to your OPPO. Then whenever you'd like to get rid of this account, smoothly mark it, tap on More icon, and select Remove Account. And then confirm that you would like to remove this account with all its data by tapping on Remove Account. And that's it. As you can see, it has been done. So congrats, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.